Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with a functionality proof video for a Samsung Y-main board that we sold in July or repaired. I don't know whether it was sold or repaired to someone with initials MP that we asked to identify the board. They said that it worked for a while, but they had a screen issues, like a quarter or some part of the screen vertical was missing, and then the board stopped working altogether, or the TV rather stopped working altogether. We were pretty certain the board was fine, because most of the time they are, and because the vertical missing portion of the screen is not consistent with the functionality that this board provides. So we told them to send it back, initial it first, which they did, and this is the board. It was indeed shorted. It had a massive failure. A lot of components on it were bad. In fact, this is the first time we've seen one of those with so many not capacitors, power switching components. So we fixed it. As you can see, it is working fine now. I'm going to show you that it doesn't miss any portion of the screen before we send it back. So diagnosis, picture test, there you go. It's not missing anything. This is a standard pattern test, and it is working fine now. We left it to work like this for a while. We do believe that whatever problem the other TV had, if it had those vertical problems, it is very likely that they've taken the board down, and if that is the case, they may take it down again. So there it is functional. We are not going to make a half an hour or 3 hours video showing that it can work for 3 hours. It is working. One good way to tell is how much the heat sinks are getting warm. Those are very, very nice. You can hold them. Don't touch anything with your other hand though, because not always they are grounded. They're pretty cold actually. This is the only warm one. And the board is working fine now, so we'll be shipping it back. I don't know what causes it. Was shorted. VS was shorted here, and again there was a bunch of components that were shorted on the board. I don't know what caused it to fail. The way it was described, it was either, it doesn't sound like a back connection here. It may be the logic board. Actually, this is the logic board. It's part of the, I don't know if the logic board is on the down buffers or it's up here. It sounds like it is down there. Anyhow, at this point I can only wish you best of luck, and if it fails again, just part with the TV. That's my advice. Thank you.